Oh, ooh, look at that. The little drip, there's a little drip right there, coming right there.
Wow.
Hey.
Good afternoon, chef.
Good afternoon. Beautiful day.
Beautiful day. Another
Yeah.
beautiful day.
Another beautiful day.
So well, we're gonna have our lunch today.
Huh?
So we
Okay.
had nice kupa for the breakfast, right?
The kupa was delicious.
Yeah.
We went to North Korea.
Today's sundae-gukbap is a little special because it's North Korean style.
Yeah, right. North Korean style kupa.
Yeah, exactly.
So for our lunch today,
Yeah.
we're gonna have one of your favorite Korean.
What?
Jjajangmyeon.
Say no more.
But it's not normal jjajangmyeon. You remember the Gan Jjajangmyeon?
Gan Jjajangmyeon.
You remember that?
Yeah.
Right behind you. This is the restaurant. Really popular
Right here?
for the 간짜장 and also the 탕수육, which is
The
deep
Gan
fried
Jjajangmyeon.
pork. They're famous.
I
for that.
remember.
Let's go, chef.
간짜장 맞으시죠?
네, 맞습니다.
Oh, ooh, look at that. Oh, there it is. Yeah.
Korea 탕수육, chef. 탕수육.
탕수육.
탕수육. That's how we call it.
탕수육.
탕수육.
That's beautiful. This is, look at that brilliant bright color on this right here. It is just like, and that egg, it's just,
Oh, so this is different, right? The egg.
yeah, the egg is different.
The
It
egg
wasn't
is
there last
different.
time.
Right.
Protein.
Protein, damn it.
Okay, let's get dig in.
I'm gonna pour it for you first.
Oh.
See some shrimps here.
Oh, I forgot about the shrimp.
You can see some squid.
And as I explained to you last time, the main difference between the normal jjajangmyeon and Gan Jjajangmyeon is that the sauce.
The sauce.
Yeah, but Gan Jjajangmyeon is a sauce which is freshly made.
This one right here was just, you know, crazy.
Okay.
Wow.
Excited.
Smells.
간짜장.
I know, right?
Look at the smell.
Smells crazy.
You know, I'm a professional. I make sure not to break my egg. Because it's got to go right there back on top. Crazy amazing.
Crazy amazing.
Are we ready?
As we always do.
As we always do. Woo. Yeah. Here we go.
Oh. Oh.
I want to hit somebody. That's so good. Wow. Even better than the last time I remember.
와, 진짜 맛있어요, 이거.
And more with the sauce,
Yeah.
more bountiful.
Actually, the full name of it is 삼선 간짜장, which means seafood 간짜장.
Tamsam kanjajang.
Yeah, that's the full name of it. Yeah.
So seafood jjajang. Yeah, that's the shrimp and the
Yeah.
squid, all the succulents
Right,
inside of it.
right.
I can tell.
Yeah.
That's why it has like,
Wow.
yeah.
And you know, that little shrimp right there, soft, tender, not hard at all. It's crazy. The cooking process on that part, when they make it in the sauce, they put it at the very end. So it doesn't be like a tough piece of shrimp. I hate that. Wow.
와, 맛있다, 이거. 사운드. 이거 좋아요. 아, 소리가 달라. 와. 마스터 스트로퍼.
I wish my jaws were stronger. Like just swoop it all up. Ooh, you know what?
Oh.
There's a little drip. There's a little drip right there, coming right there.
진짜 맛있다.
How does it go with the egg?
Perfect. Very perfect.
Chef, I think it's time to have a little sides. 탕수육.
탕수육?
Yeah. So here we have two dips. So this is sweet and sour, and this is soy. So shall we try it with the soy first?
Let's do soy
so you can
first.
just feel its own like flavor and texture and everything.
아, 이렇게 먹는 거 처음.
Ooh, that's tender. Wow.
Oh, you can already tell, right?
Wow, that's tender.
맛있다.
Wow. That's great.
Especially these restaurants are known for like top notch of
Really,
탕수육.
I can tell the pork is tender, but yet the coating outside, deep fried, it's crispy but also soft, which is perfect.
I have one tip.
Oh.
I recommend you to eat like this. This one is good as well.
짜장면.
That's my combination.
That's your combination.
My name's not Sean. Ken.
Sean 2.0.
Yeah, 2.0. Ken's combo. Shall we?
We shall.
Oh.
That was it.
Yeah. Chef, for people who never tried like jjajangmyeon or 간짜장면, how would you like explain them about the flavor? Yeah.
It's like having the perfect noodle and then pouring over a perfect sauce, married with the onions, the shrimp, the squid, the scallions, everything that's inside of it. It's a little thicker, so it's filled with flavor profile. As soon as you bite into it, it just bursts in your mouth.
Wow.
It looks like it's really heavy, but it's actually very delicate and delicious. Wow.
감사합니다. 맛있다 이거.
And the sauce is not what you think. In the US, you'd be like, oh, it's too much. It's perfect. The balance of it, that coastal noodles, it just makes it a perfect pairing. It's delicious. Wow. Like really, really delicious. Crunches, tenderness, little treats inside of here.
Oh yeah, got it.
Yeah. That's protein, damn it.
Oh.
Wow, it is so good. It's just like a mixing pot of flavors that marry together. Or how I would best describe it. A mixing pot that marries together in ecstasy. This one is great. I love that one with this too.
Oh yeah. Oh, you haven't tried the sweet and sour yet. Yeah. Let's try it. Let's try it out. Yeah.
찍먹파네, 찍먹파.
You know, I'll be honest with you, I'm not a sweet and sour fan.
Oh.
In the US, it's too much. It'd be way too sweet and way too thick, right? If you look at this, look,
Oh.
that's inside here.
It looks like, yeah.
It's so delicate. It goes so well with that pork, which is that denseness, and then you put the coating on top of it. It just soaks it up like perfectly. Like, look at it. Look right here. See that? Wow.
White. It's too white.
Yeah.
It's like condensed milk.
It's dripping like it needs to go with some coffee.
Yeah.
That's good stuff.
맛있어. 이거 진짜 맛있다.
That'll replenish you.
Few more bites left.
You know what? I want it all.
야. That's the best part.
That's so good. I'm an onion fan. I was just like any onions. These onions, delicious. Yeah, seriously.
Wow.
I love it.
Okay, two.
One more, let's get some. Wow, that's good.
So how would you compare this 삼선 간짜장, which is seafood 간짜장, with the normal 간짜장?
This one right here.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm a seafood fan also.
Okay.
So it's much healthier, easier to come down and slurping. Other one's much thicker.
Yeah, right.
Darker, right? And so there was a big difference on it. So I appreciated that. I appreciate this one rather. I'm sorry, I'm still eating. It was so good. It's so good. 오늘도 잘 먹었습니다.
This one, if we can do some game. Someone who picks the number one will drink the stomach. Which animal are we gonna go, chef?
I'm gonna go with the rabbit.
I'll go with dog.
Let's see chef first.
Yeah.
The rabbit.